Alright, so hello everybody, welcome back to another DevWithMe video. In this video, we're going to keep building our e-commerce site using Django. So now I'm going to finish up our cart feature. So let's see. Okay, so in last video what we did is we pretty much finished the adding to the cart, but for the cart actually display the cart, here's what we need to do. Here, we need to go ahead and say maybe cart item dot objects dot get, actually dot filter is better. Oops. Dot filter is already equals to request user ID. Sorry, I take a look at the time because I want to make sure each video is less than half an hour, just not too long. Okay, and then here I want to say let's go ahead and say data. I was always going to use a nested list, so in here I can say frying items. Basically, there's the item ID, so I guess we can append like the entire item object there. So in here I can just say item equals to item dot objects dot get item ID equals to item ID data dot append. Here it's the item. And then in here we also want to say, and then append the actual I to here in case we need any, because we will need any other informations. And then here we can just say return render request shopper slash cart.html. All right. Okay, so let's see. So, oops, that's not what I extend because that's not what I want to do. All right, so extend, let's just say cart. Here, let's just say your cart. D in data. D. And then let's go ahead and associate this route with here. Actually, let's just finish it up. So in here, I will need this. Don't know why they wrapped into a UL here. But in here, go ahead and say so untap it. Okay. Oh, image. Right, we also need the image. Pic equals to image item picture dot objects dot get item ID equals to item ID. Here we just say dot filter bracket 0 pic. Okay, so it's item 2. It's 0 0 0. Let's say add it to the URLs here. Say pass cart views dot cart. Let's wait. Sweet. Alright, couldn't overload your cart. And absolutely nothing showed up, which is weird because there should be something at least. Because I forgot to pass it, right? Yeah. Data Instead. All right. Fresh. Okay, we got an item there. Oh, it's supposed to be D now. No, I don't need that. I need. Let's see. Okay. So actually, what I need is I need this text. We're gonna paste it right here. So again, it's D. It's all D. Right. All right. Okay. So now what I will do is in here I will have a cart. Let's see. See what we're gonna do now is gonna go ahead and do another column, I suppose. So in here, let's do a div class row, div class call 9. Div class call 3. Right. Let's go ahead and grab a card from Bootstrap. Alright, let's just grab this, copy, paste. Alright, so in here we also need to modify. So in here we need to have like we need to have like a small select. Right, so in here we'll go ahead and copy this, paste it right here. Alright, and in here we'll just say total price. And in here also gonna say shipping fee. Cost $30. Oh my god. I hope I didn't mess that up. Okay, well, whatever. Let's see. Total price. Let's render it from the back end, actually. That's actually faster. We get the price. Price is 0 for now. That's a price plus equals to item.price plus item.shipping. Let's return the price. Let us refresh. Yeah, shipping. Yeah. All right. Total price. Maybe in here, then we can just say pay now or something. Let's go ahead a button. Buy now. Right. Okay. So one thing I need to change is, let's see, how to now select option is changed JavaScript, and then we're going to use Google to search. For some reason, whenever you use Google by open a new tab, it almost is usually redirect me to Bing, which I don't prefer it to be. Okay, skip this. Script. Okay, script it up. Okay, so it's kind of hard because I kind of need to watch for all the select. But you know. How to detect select change. Okay, because I want to do all the select, right? You know what? Let's just create a function. Quantity change. And in here, here's what's going to happen. In here, going to say onChange, right? And we're going to call quantity change. But in here, we're actually going to set the variable. It's going to be item ID. Right, straightforward. And that's d.0.item ID here. And so in here, just have item ID. Right? Actually, I need to go back then. All right. So now what's going to happen? Okay. Well, I mean, since we already have that, then we can just say here. Let's say, our new quantity equals to document.get elements ID dot value. Right? And I also need to know the price. Right? I also need to know the price. So let's just say span. That's gonna be like a really hidden place. So d.0.item ID. And in here we're gonna go style, display hidden or something. No. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna show the unit price, right? But it's not gonna show the unit price actually. And in here you can just say hyphen price, right? So var new quantity, right? And in here you can say var unit price equals to document.get element by ID, item ID, price dot value. Here you're gonna say parse float, Okay. And then here we're gonna say var. We also need to have like a total price. Actually, we may just do a span. That's about it. So here we can say span and d equals to total. Here's a total. Okay. All right. Let's see. There might be a couple issue facing if I do something like that, because I need to know what's the existing one, right? So what's the existing quantity, right? Let's see. So in here, we need to do something like this. If d.0.quantity equals to, no, wait, that's d.1 equals to 1. Okay. Let's hope we actually can finish it. Alright, let's do a refresh. See what's gonna happen. Okay, well, in here actually I'm gonna say selected. Do you have other options? Yeah, we don't even have other options anymore. Let's not do that. Let's use in JavaScript. Let's use JavaScript for it. So in here we'll also have a here say for less than parse int data count right, I plus plus. All right, so now what's going to happen is we're going to loop through it repeatedly, and then we're going to add attribute to it. Maybe so here we can say actually we might need to do a for loop in here. Yeah, we need to do a for loop here. So for d in data, right? And then here's what's gonna happen, right? There's gonna be a certain script that's gonna run, and then in here we're gonna say for I equals 0 at less than parse int, and then here you can just say items.count I plus plus. Okay, now what's gonna happen is we can use d. Right, why do I write a for loop there? I don't need a for loop. So then here I can just say document, okay, element by ID, you know, item ID, and then here I can say set attributes, you know, selected, something like that. Let's see would it work now. Let's see if JavaScripts are running all good. Oh, okay, stars d.0. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Okay, that's not what I want to do. I want to select a certain element, right? See here. Oh no, d dot one dot quantity. Alright, whether this work or not, I'm gonna end the video here since I don't want to make it look really long. Ooh, it does change. Did I choose 2 rather? Maybe, who knows. Alright, so now if the price changes, well, that's the total. Well, okay. So I kind of need to do item price multiplied by item dot I dot quantity, right? Otherwise it doesn't make sense. Print I dot quantity. Let's see. What? Why you are two? Oh, I forgot to do -1, right? Let's do a -1 here. Alright, so now 1 should be selected. Alright, there we go. Okay. So now returned here. Now it should work. Okay. So now what I will do is I will personally finish up on, like, you can select different elements and you can also delete, right? You can also delete. I will do that on my own, but you can see this is how, like, we can use drop down, use some JavaScript syntax. So what we did in this video is we started with this rendering page. I will finish the rest on my own time, and I will explain to you guys next video. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe button as well if you haven't already. And as always, stay safe. Have a nice day. DevWithMe out.